Welcome to be first to copy. So today in our Firebase studio we are facing environment build error. Okay, as you can see here is the environment build error recovery. So here it's saying that what error it is. So it's saying that 887, as you can see here. Let me show you that. Okay, they are saying that 887 like error syntax at home user. So I believe somewhere it's have some problem. Okay, as we can see here. So we are having problem error log, and it's saying that is not on by you. So it's saying that home it's not on by failing back to the defined password file while calling these things. Okay, because of that reason I could not able to build my Fire Studio, but it was working quite well after a couple of days ago, but now we are facing this problem. So we want to know that how you can solve this problem. As you can see here right now, here is a Gemini, it's a agentic model here. So I set the agentic model. Okay, as you can see that here we are not setting any file. Even if I click here, nothing happens. Okay, so drawing image file from workspace. So the problem we have in a where IDX. Okay, let's see if we can able to go through or not. So in IDX download, let's go. Okay, there's nothing. Okay, so this one build failure. Okay, AMD. Now we're gonna ask that fix this issue. You can also say that check whether is anything wrong or not. If it is, then fix it. You can also ask that way. Okay, you can use it any way. You can just write the prompt and it will do your work. So I write it down, but I'm not sure that it's gonna fix my problems because it's an environment build failure recovery. Okay, so I'm not sure what truly happened for that, but I believe it might be something with the settings or something that I'm not well aware, because I'm really new about these things. I don't understand how even the app is built, and also there's something they're asking for. As you can see here, it's saying that synthetic error, the error message index comma, let's see, take me to there. Okay, this is click build environment. So again, as you can see here, could not build your environment, launch the default recovery environment below. Said they could not do that. I don't know what resolve I should do. Should I search for internet? I believe that's something I need to do if I want to fix it. So let's search for it. As you can see here, we just say that search on internet, copy, or we can just here, as you can see here, there's a agentic mode, there's ask mode. Okay, then we click on ask and type this. I will then say that it will give all information. Just wait for a few seconds and you will get it that. So it's saying that where the problem is. Okay, they are saying that after then they're saying the error where is happening. As you can here see that saying that you are facing environment build issue. Example. Okay, it's saying that I will revert the standard Flutter configuration. This is common and effective way to resolve build issue. I am modifying Android build get it gets. So I will just say that do it. It's a ask model, so it's gonna provide you the codes. They can't directly write it down. So when it provides the code, you can copy it, or you can choose agentic model, or you can just paste that code, or you can just ask the same thing as you did here. So you can do the both of things. As you know that if you use that agentic model, it will fix your problem, but it will take some time. Even here, I'm not sure that even that code it provide, it will fix all the problems. But let's see. So it's saying that I haven't had the source of build it failure issue. So configuration, Android settings, and this one. The first, go to here, Android settings gadget. This file is written using Grover Syntax Kotlin scripts. Then Gilbert tried to preset. Second, this contain custom logic standard. I don't understand all that. I have both corrected, reverted them. I'm now running flutter b get to install all after the configuration changes. Do it. Let's see how much time it takes to fix this error. So preview build failure md. So it's showing that error. Here you can see that saying that I have successfully run flutter get. It seems you are pointing out a data type dot and also hinting Firebase integration. I will address both. So as you can see here, it's saying that inconstance. Okay, I could not pronounce the word properly. Okay, so here is the problem and also Firebase integration. This is something also I don't understand. What is that? Because I try to make application and try to integrate this thing in my apps, but this model could not do that. I tried twice, but all the time it was taking the time, but there's no response. So then I just detach that. There's option of detaching. So I waited for it more than a half an hour, but nothing happened. So I thought it can't do that. So I just don't do anything. I remove this option. Okay. So it's saying that first returning insight map. This is not idle. Okay, they're telling that what I should do. Then next I will update this one. If you don't want to do like this any of this thing, you can just use agentic mode. I will tell you that. So just go for it. What I'm doing right now, ask model, I believe it won't change your code at all. They are just giving you idea. So don't hope for that when you do it here it will change here. No, it won't. So it's saying that it have corrected that, but so I have created data types here. Now I will format for clean user. For fine, I will add INTL package from the number formatting. I have added INTL package. I will update this one. Okay. So I'm not saying anything here. I thought provide me code, but I'll just go for the agent model, because I tried before hand, but didn't anything happen. So I'm not sure that it is fixing my problem or not. So I'll just say that just fix my problem. If you want, you can use another AI tool outside like ChatGPT, Gemini, or any of them. It would fix your problem, but I want to say that if the Gemini can fix my resolve without anything, just writing an agentic model, because right now they are doing all those things. Because if I really want to develop an app and I'm newbie, like I don't know anything, any code, like I am right now, I prefer this one, that I can just write anything and it solve my problems, and that's what I want. So as you can see, that's analyzing the tools, and I'm not sure that even my problem gonna solve, because it will take more time. It's not like I can't solve it. If I use this tool I can, but it requires a lot of time, and that is a big problem. So if you want to really make an app, you need to have some patience and a little bit more knowledge about it, because without knowledge it is not easy to make it, because you don't understand what is happening, then you can't even do that. For me, like right now, as I told you about the Firebase integration, I don't understand how it works and why I need it, so that's why I detach it. When I have to wait for that time, I just thought it's not important. So I just asked the AI tools in that time, and they say it's not that important. So I do that. Even I'm sure about even all the changes are happening, even the same problem will come. So for me, the best way is that I will just copy that Android file, or just have a save and use it again. A second thing I can do that, just delete it and start from the raw, because I'm using from AI tools. Then I just need a prompt for it, that's all. So both things easy for me. but I want to see that problem gonna solve or not. Just wait. As you can see that you have to wait and again click it. It's gonna change all the code, I believe. You see they are using the tools again. So I have found last unused variable gender. Okay. So as you can see that right now it's making the blueprint. And I'm not sure that what is doing it gonna resolve the problem, because the problem is that build, and I'm not sure what is truly it is. Like preview build failure. Okay, I think it's about when we see the SDK on a web option, that is could not able to make it, and that is a problem. So I'm not sure it's gonna fix it. Let's see. I really want to know what will happen, because I think it's not gonna fix, because it preview build. So I'm not sure it's gonna fix it if I change the codes. Okay, it's saying that right now it's changing that my Android files. It's not really changing that the problem where it is. It's changing my Android files right now, and I'm not sure that how it's related to build failure. Let's see. I believe that I have to do this for a long time. Even then I might not get the result. Let's see again. I will now update that blueprint Flutter. It's second time it's updating this one. Writing everything. What is the problem? Not really big. Okay, I'm now updating blueprint, update blueprint, and the same thing it's saying again and again. I don't know how long I'm gonna say that. You see, it's all the same. I will update blueprint, this thing again and again. So if you're facing this kind of problem, and if the file is not important, like the project is not so important, if you like new me, then you don't really need that I can say that you can easily have the prompt saved. You can just use the prompt and again build a new environment. Like you can just go here, let me show you. Like you go to the Firebase Studio, okay, and just start new project, like a new express place, and start it from again. Okay, it will save a lot of your time if the file is not important, because I'm not sure it's gonna fix your problem. If it's not important, then just come here, make again and use prompts and build the app. I believe that is much easier than fixing this problem. Okay, so it's saying that updated. Okay, I will update the blueprint file to reflect the work. So I will just give the command update it. It did not update, it will update right now. So I believe this one much easier option for you. But if you need the files and you are having this problem, then you have to solve it yourself. And it will be solved. I'm not saying this won't, but it will take much more time. So I'm just trying this one. Let's see it is really gonna fix it or not, because I'm saying the same thing again, and I believe the same thing will happen again. Let's wait. So succeed. I have added Google Fonts. Okay, there's a new file adding. It specifically said that where the problem, that error happening here, that is missing. Attribute to Google Chrome stable missing. At home user my app in this code. Okay, error log was this one, but for a long time it's changing something else. People are saying that don't learn coding, but I'm not really sure that should I go for the words, because if I don't understand anything, then how I can build something. It's good that we can do it by prompt, and we are making it. But when we are facing some kind of problem, we have only two choices: restart again or fix it. At some time restarting it much easier. Right now if you go for it, it's much easier. You just put the prompt, to write the code really well, and here you can see that again saying to update. Just go and search somewhere, like I'm gonna use a chat GPT right now. So I'm not I don't know that when it's gonna fix that problem. So just open chat GPT or another AI tool that you use. I'll just say that how to fix it, and then share your file here. Now search. So you see that means that next expression of your div file trying to reference a attribute called Google Chrome stable, but doesn't exist in your current this package. So how to check? Okay, the recent version of renewed or moved. Recent version. Use the correct name package, like pkg Google Chrome. Okay, update your div Linux. Okay, then saying that check available package. So it's saying that, but I'm having problem in the Firebase Studio. So in a Firebase Studio, I am facing this issue. So it's saying that first, it's saying that means that inside Firebase Nix is trying to install Google Chrome stable, but the package name doesn't exist in the package used by Firebase Studio. It's saying that open, you will see something like this. Okay, let's see. Let's click here. Now there is a div Linux. Okay, as you can see here, let me cut this into both of them. We are seeing like package. We have a Google Chrome stable here. Okay, it's just save precedence src. Okay, now we have it. Replace change this line to this thing. Okay, let me copy this one. We have here command v. Okay, we have changed it. Now command save. As it works here, it should work. Now what I am to do, the install just call now, saved and rebold. Okay, now command save I have clicked. I'm not sure you're gonna save it or not, but I'll just rebuild that environment right now. Okay, let's see. I'm using chat GPT because what the specific problem is that it was not solving it as what I saw. Okay, so here again the problem we are getting to. Okay, now it's saying the problem is lies here. C make. Okay, so it's saying that here is the problem. So you can do also this. You can just copy all that code from here. Click copy. Okay, if you want specifically to solve that problem, you have to do this. Okay, I say that this is code, okay, paste it, comma, space, then write this problem I am facing, this problem I am seeing, comma, then put that problem, just click enter. In this way they will understand the code and give you better result. It says a fixed version of your DevNix, so it fixed that. That's what it's saying. So we'll just copy that and see that's working or not. Okay, copy. Now we're gonna command B. Now command save. I'm not really sure that whatever I'm just like this option save or not. Okay, command S I am just typing. I just hope it's saved. Okay, so action code. So run the environment again. There's another thing I'll ask, how to save, or let me just wait. Let's see that what happens right now. So as you can see that it's just running, and it taking time. It should not take that much time, and that's why I'm telling you that you should just go for the first one option. If you are new and you don't need that file, it was much easier for you. But if you do that, also good. In the later on in the future, it would really helpful for you. So just wait and see. As you can see, it's a lot of time even right now. Okay, so this one was removed, I believe. Change it this to okay, Chrome stable package. Save the file studio, wait for environment to rebuild automatically. If it doesn't rebuild, check the rebuild environment or start the workspace. Okay, I believe the problem is not resolved. Let's see what it's saying right now. Now as you can see that our problem is resolved. So it's really easy. Okay, I'm gonna making a really big video, and I want to just I will upload like this video so that you can understand. If you are new and you don't know how to code, then you have to do that way, and even you cannot succeed. As you can see, it is running, so it means that it's worked. Okay, even it's saying here is code, but it's running right now, so it will work like it was working before. As you can see, it's working here. So our build is working. So that's how you fix it, your build environment error. So thanks for watching this video. Meet you in the next video. Bye.